Alright, welcome back. Cheap Pete's Garage. Today I'm going to do a cold start on the old 1985 Chevy Custom Deluxe C10. It's been, well, at least 2 months since it's been started, maybe a little bit longer. So right now I got jumper cables on because the battery's almost dead. I haven't tried cranking it over yet. So hopefully this will be a fairly easy start. So I guess for all you pedal pumping fanatics, you can watch me pump the gas pedal. Or attempt to watch me anyway. Here we go. Let's see what happens. I'll let it charge a little bit. It sure draws down my S10. Pretty easy. It's got some sweet sounding exhaust to it. Sound about you wanted to quit. The old jumper vehicle here. The old 91 S10 daily ride. She's just loyal as can be. Looks like shit, but man, she sure does take and always start and always goes. Anyway, back to this one. Take the old cables off it. Got the old original 305 in her. Like 68,000 original miles on it. It's only had, well, one other owner besides me. Kick her off the old fast idle there. That and move this bike out of the way so I don't run it over. A little quieter inside here. I know you guys watched a couple, 3 of these videos I've made of this cold start to this thing, but it's still kind of fun old pickup to take and start up and run it. I should do some work to it and make it a daily, I should do. But I see that about most of my junkers. Too many irons in the fire and too many projects. around the yard. I think these brake hoses real bad put on it. The ones that are on it are collapsed on the inside, so you start using the brakes and the brakes kind of stick and stay on. Otherwise, pretty mint. Apparently it's got a little water sitting in the box. The old walk around tour. Sure does pop when you let out the gas. I'm sure that's normal. You don't have to worry about that. Alright, well, I guess that there's the old couple month cold start of the old 85 Chevy Custom Deluxe. If you guys like videos like this, cold starts, well runs, might want to consider subscribing to the channel. Like, comment, share it, whatever. You guys know the drill. Shouldn't have to tell you by now. So, with that being said, until the next one, thanks for watching. Bye.